Here's another instance of priming that has a really deep impact on how we make judgments of others. This is one of the first studies, in fact, probably the first study, on priming in social psychology. And what they did is they presented participants with words related to either recklessness or adventurousness. This was in the context of some other memory procedure that was apparently different from the study they would eventually participate in. But the idea here is that during activity number 1 in the study, the words people were dealing with were either the ones on the top, which included words like reckless, careless, heedless, rash, etc., or they were the words on the bottom, which included words like adventurous, risk-taker, traveler, self-confident, daring, free-spirited, and so forth. Each of which converges on a different schema, either a schema of recklessness or of adventurousness, and just by doing this memory activity, one of those schemas was primed more than the other, depending on which set of words people had been randomly given. After that first activity, they were given a short description of someone named Donald, who was described ambiguously in a way that could suggest recklessness or adventurousness. Here's what that might have looked like. It's actually a longer passage, but this gives you the gist. Donald has climbed Mount McKinley, shot the Colorado Rapids in a kayak, driven in a demolition derby, and piloted a jet-powered boat without knowing very much about boats. Here, you might see that Donald is reckless, given this behavior, but you also could interpret the very same paragraph as being a description of someone who's just adventurous. Depends upon how you want to interpret things.